Hello everyone, my name is Marcia. I'm going to present our technological classroom for English class. This is the plan of our classroom. The dimension of this class is 14 meters per 14 meters, and I'm going to share how it looks like outside. Yes, give me a moment. Here you can see a beautiful class. We have here the door. We have one door, and this is one window. In this side we can see 4 windows, and in this other it has a lot 4 windows too. This is how it looks like. And then we are going to move inside the class. We are going to start with this part. With this part we have some curtains. We have the door that is inside, also outside. We have some hangers. This is something important because the students can put the jacket or something, or also the backpack that they have. We have some posters here, a decoration. We have one, we have another 2. We have some here. We have the lockers of the students, and also we have here the one table. The table has 4 laptops. The students is going to use laptops. And we have 4 chairs too. In this we have another here inside. We have a connector, one connector here. In this side we have a book case. The students can take a book, can read anytime they want. And also we have some poster here to remember of our students that they have to believe in themselves. We have some curtains here. We're going to move here, and we have another this is the teacher's locker. The teacher has some books, some material, some paper that the teacher is going to use. We have another connector. We have the clock, and also we have here the we have the smartboard in order that we are going to use. Here we have another thing that the teacher is going to use. Some paper. This is a file, and we have another connector, some speaker. This is something important if we are going to have some listening activity. It is important. As you can see here, we have another table with computers. We have in total it is 1, 2, 3, 5 tables with 4 computers and chairs. We're going to move a little bit this, and we are going to check what we have here. Here we have the UPS in order to share all the internet And also we have the printer, the computer, the computers, the computer, teacher's computer. We have the lamp. This is of the teacher. We have the teacher's chair, and here we have a projector. This is a backup if we are going to have an emergency, the smart board is not going to work, we can use the wall and we can project our class. And also here, if we are going to move the chair, we can move the chair with any place that we want. We are going to take here, and we have, and also here, if you can see, we have here the basket, in order that we are going to use this trash can. We have the air condition. We have 2 air condition, 1 and 2, and we have a lot of lamps. We have 6 in this side, and with the other side we have 6 too. Why? Because it is important to have light in the classroom, because if we are going to be like a little bit dark on the classroom, the students are going to be like worried, or maybe they are going to go sleep or something like that. That's why it is important to have that in our class. This is our class, our beautiful class, and I hope you enjoyed this class.